how's it going, Veggie fam? Welcome back, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. I'm Veggie Rose, and in this channel we make a lot of vegan food. Every Monday and every Wednesday I post a new video, so don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing a recipe that I have learned to love so much, and so have my picky little kids. And that is a Thai style red curry, and yeah, it's really easy to make, and let's get veggie. Alright, so let's get to it. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is I'm just going to be chopping up our, like, whatever it is that we have to chop up. And I have like a handful of cilantro. This is like a packed half of a cup of cilantro, aka coriander. And we're going to toss that over, or place that over to the side. And we've chopped up some cilantro. We've cut up some 3 garlic cloves, or minced them. And then we also did 1 small carrot. And right now I'm going to go ahead and chop up 1 small red onion. You can use any onion, really. So now that we have all of our stuff chopped, we're going to start by adding a little bit of oil into our skillet, and I'm doing about a tablespoon, give or take, of vegetable oil. And I have this at a medium-high heat, and I'm just going to start off by tossing in our onion, and then we're also going to be adding into this our carrot, because the carrot seems to take a little while to soften up, so we're going to do that. As you can see, my wooden spatula has seen a lot of days with turmeric because it's yellow. So we're just going to mix this around a bit. And I always, when I'm sauteing anything, I like to do a little bit of salt and pepper, especially when I'm doing like the veggies. I do a little bit of salt and pepper on this layer simply because you want to season every layer. And already, with just a little bit of the salt and pepper added into this like saute here, you can, the smells just kind of come alive a little better. You know, you can just smell everything a little better once you add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons, it smells so good, 2 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoons of, this is Thai red curry paste, and this is actually really easy to find. I actually found this at the, at my local, like, big supermarket, ShopRite, for those of you guys who are familiar with who ShopRite is. So, and this is just like around like the soy sauces, and like the nori sheets and stuff like that. So in like the ethnic sort of aisle, or the Asian kind of aisle. And I'm just adding that into here, and I'm gonna let that kind of come together with everything. Saute it in there. And then the next step is we're actually gonna toss in our garlic cloves, and we're gonna allow that to become nice and fragrant, which should take no more than about a minute. And now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. And for our seasoning, we actually have quite a few spices, I should say. And I have the link again to the recipe down below. We have some sugar, we have some cumin, we have curry powder, turmeric, paprika, coriander, garlic powder, and yeah, that's it. If I missed anything, again, that'll be down below in the recipe. So I'm just adding that in there and just kind of like letting all these flavors, oh, the smells, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Letting all those smells come together, and just like that. And then next I'm gonna go ahead and add in my milk. I'm just gonna go ahead and shake my milk. I'm using Goya coconut milk. No, I'm not being sponsored by Goya, but hey, Goya, hit me up, I'm down. But yeah, so I'm just using this because it is a very nice, like, full fat coconut milk, which I really enjoy. And I'm just adding it kind of like tiny bit at a, not tiny bit at a time, but I did maybe like half. And then I'll mix it up so that it can like kind of cream up a little bit. And I'm doing that because everything is kind of like clumped together. And so as you mix it, everything kind of like loosens up. And then we'll go ahead and add the rest. So everything is added in there really nicely. And I'm actually gonna add in vegetable broth. Whoops, I should have probably shaken that up. We're also gonna be adding in, at this point, I just wanna keep this at a simmer. I'm actually gonna be adding in 1 cup of frozen mixed veggies. And then we're also gonna be adding some red lentils, and I'm doing 1 full cup of red lentils in there. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. So I said a teaspoon of sugar when I meant to say a tablespoon of sugar should be added into this. And then you can also add ginger to this. Ginger would make it way more authentic because ginger is one of the ingredients that is traditionally used in a Thai curry. So I just went ahead and served this with a little bit of rice, like a little bit of rice. I like to, it's like mainly on the bottom, but I like to serve this with just a tiny bit of rice because I prefer my curry to just be like a bit of a bit of rice and just loads of curry. So there we have it, a red lentil curry. All right, so it's time for the taste test cam. Here we go. It looks so good. I've been loving, like obsessing over curry lately. I'm one of those people who just like starts obsessing over one type of food, wants to make it every single day, make it all kinds of different ways, and until I get bored of it, I don't move on to the next thing that I'm obsessing over food-wise. If you guys have a current food obsession, please let me know what it is down below. So, whoa. You guys have to give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. It's so flavorful. It's like bursting with bold flavor. So that is that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video so other people can see how delicious vegan food could be. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys very soon. Love you. Bye.